What is the most efficient way of counting occurrences in pandas? I have a large, about 12 meters rows, data frame DF. The following ran in a timely fashion. However, this is taking an unexpectedly long time to run. What am I doing wrong here? Is there a better way to count occurrences in a large data frame? Ran pretty well, so I really did not expect this occurrences _ words data frame to take very long to build.
I think df word .value _ counts should serve. By skipping the groupie machinery, you'll save some time. I'm not sure why count should be much slower than max. Both take some time to avoid missing values. Compare with size. In any case, value _ counts has been specifically optimized to handle object type, like your words, so I doubt you'll do much better than that. When you want to count the frequency of categorical data in a column in pandas data frame, use df column _ name .value _ counts. Source. Just in addition to the previous answers. Let's not forget that when dealing with real data there might be null values, so it's useful to also include those in the counting by using the option dropna equals false, default is true. An example.
Other possible approaches to count occurrences could be to use I, counter from collections module, 2, unique from NumPy library, and 3, groupie plus size in pandas. To use collections.counter. To use numpy.unique. To use groupie plus size. One very nice feature of value _ counts that's missing in the above methods is that it sorts the counts. If having the counts sorted is absolutely necessary, then value _ counts is the best method given its simplicity and performance, even though it still gets marginally outperformed by other methods, especially for very large series. Benchmarks. If having the counts sorted is not important. If we look at runtimes, it depends on the data stored in the data frame columns/series. If the series is type object, then the fastest method for very large series is collections.counter, but in general value _ counts is very competitive. However, if it is type int, then the fastest method is numpy.unique. Code used to produce the plots.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.